Welcome this video. Partition design transforming space with style and functional. Partition have long play forwarding role and shared out interior, often both functional and aesthetic vibrant as house and often to meet the made and modern living. Partition design have become more inviting, create and functionally than even before, whether it's create, provide, cottage, functional to enhance the appear of a space. Partition have elements of interior design. We explored various partition design here material, style, and type to choose the perfect one of your space. The of partition design, traditional partition were simple structure met or provide room take to solve wall frame, screen or hand everything with the elevate to architecture trend together open layout the room of partition have changed today than are not merit but key traditional to the overall design for unique modern minimalism to district charm partition design are not craft to harmonium with interior while minimalist unit type of partition design depend on the purpose and style. Partition can be various from simple of the most popular interior fixed partition are promax structure type but with material like glass or wood